Hello everybody, I'm Jose from Russ Darrow Nissan of Milwaukee, and I'm here to talk to you about our multi-point inspection that we offer every time you do get a service here. So this is an MPI that we do offer every time you do visit us. The first thing we do check when we pull in your vehicle is mainly we check the lights, interior lights, exterior lights, and the wiper blades to see if they're all functioning well. After that, we pop up the hood and check the engine bay. We check all the fluids, including washer fluid, brake fluid, power steering, as well as the engine air filter, the cabin filter. And once your vehicle is up in the lift, we check underneath and see if anything is wrong. That includes if your vehicle is leaking, if something's loose with the exhaust, or just in general, just trying to look at how your vehicle looks. There you have it, our multi-point inspection. Don't hesitate and come on in, schedule an appointment with us, either online or you come visit our service advisors and they'll help you out. Thank you and have a nice day.